Welcome back, my dear future stars of Max and my viewers and my subscribers. Now, I would like to thank my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. Please watch this video without skipping any part. Very important sum, find the zeros of the given polynomial. In this first bit is p of x equal to 3x. So to find the zeros, first we will assume that p of x is 0. That is, we will write like this. Let p of x is equal to 0. Okay. Now what we have to write now? What is the value of p of x? P of x is given as 3x. So we will write 3x equal to 0. Whenever we are solving anything, we have what we have to find now. In solving, we have to find the value of the variable. That is, here the variable is x and 3 is the coefficient. So now we will move the coefficient to right hand side. So in between 3 and x there is nothing. That means there is a multiplication here. So when multiplication is there, when we move this 3 to RHS, this multiplication will change to division. Okay, from LHS to RHS. You have to remember these things. Whenever we are changing something which is in multiplication in LHS, then we have to change it to RHS. It will become division, and if it is plus, then it will become minus, and vice versa. Okay, so this 3, it goes in RHS, so it will become 0 by 3. So x equal to 0 by 3 is nothing but 0. So the value of x is 0 in this polynomial. Okay, now we will do the next sum. Do the second bit after third and fourth bit, as it is very important and it is a little difficult. I'll show you later. Okay, first we'll do the third bit now. So here the polynomial is given as p of x equal to x plus 2 into x plus 3. So to find 0, what we have to do? To find 0, we'll suppose that p of x is equal to 0. Let p of x equal to 0. That is, what is p of x? It is given as x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So when you see this, what do you remember? See here, the product of two things is equal to 0. When is it possible, students? When any one of these is 0, or at least, or both will be 0. Okay, so since the product is equal to 0, we will get x plus 2 equal to 0, or x plus 3 equal to 0. When we multiply something with 0, then only we will get 0. So we can write this. Okay, so now we have to find the value of x. X equal to, here we have plus 2. So from LHS, I'll shift this to RHS. So plus 2, when it goes in RHS, it becomes minus 2. Already we have 0. This is minus 2. So what we get here? X equal to minus 2. Similarly, we can find here the value of one more x. X equal to plus 3 is there. So when it goes in RHS, it becomes minus 3. So the two zeros of the given polynomial are minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, are zeros of polynomial p of x. Okay, students. Question is p of x equal to x power 4 minus 16. So in this polynomial, how many zeros you will get, students? Do you know how to know the number of zeros which we get for a polynomial? Suppose in the first sum, we were having p of x equal to 3x. So how many zeros we got here? We got 1 0 here. That is, whatever will be the degree of the polynomial, that many zeros we will get. Okay, here the degree. Degree means the power given to the variable. Okay, the variable here is x. What is the highest power here? Here the highest power is 1. So we got 1 0. In second question, p of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. So in this question we will get two zeros. Okay, since the highest power here is 2, we get two zeros. Okay, now in this question the highest power is 4. So in this we will get 4 zeros. Okay students, is it clear to you all? To find how many zeros are there, we have to check what is the highest power of the polynomial. Okay, now we'll do the sum. To find 0, to find zeros, let p of x is equal to 0. That is, what is p of x? P of x is x power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. So this power 4 we can write like this. How? X power 2 into 2. Since 4 can be written as 2 into 2, I wrote like this. Then 16, it can be written as 4 square. Okay. So now this x square whole square we can write like this. X power 2 into 2 can be written as x square whole square minus 4 square. It is equal to 0. So now it is of the form a square minus b square is equal to, what is the answer? A plus b into a minus b. So this can be written as, where a, what is a? A is x square, and what is b? 4. So it can be written as x square plus 4 x square minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. Now we got x square plus 4 into x square minus 4 equal to 0. That is, the product of these two is equal to 0. That means x square plus 4 equal to 0 or x square minus 4 equal to 0. So when we move plus 4 from LHS to RHS, what it becomes? It becomes minus 4. Since 0 is there, no need of writing 0 here. Now this square, when it goes to RHS, it becomes plus or minus square root. Square will change to square root when we send in RHS. It is minus 4 as it is. Okay. Now similarly here also x square is equal to minus 4. When it goes in RHS, it becomes plus 4. Then we will shift this square to RHS. So it becomes plus or minus root 4. So since we know the value of root 4, we can write here as root 4 is what? 2. So we got 4 values here. What? X equal to plus root minus 4 minus root minus 4 plus 2 comma minus 2. Okay. Since root of 4 is 2, we can write root minus 4 equal to 2 root minus 1, and minus root minus 4 can be written as minus 2 root minus 1. The other two zeros are plus 2 comma minus 2. Since the roots of negative numbers are not explained now, you just write it as 2 root minus 1 and minus 2 root minus 1. This you will learn in higher classes. Now we will do the second bit, p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. So this sum is very important, students. If you listen it carefully and understand it very well, then you can do the graphs also, which you will get in the examination for 8 marks. Okay students. So in the previous sums, you were using formulas and finding the zeros. But here it is a bit different. So to find the 0, first thing we have to do is write let p of x equal to 0. That is x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. before finding the 0 or before doing this sum, you have to check that the given polynomial is in order or not. That is, what will be the order? The first term, the power will be square. Then the second term will be x term, that is power 1. And the third term will be constant term. Okay, is it clear to you all? First term square term, then the second term will be x term, and the last term will be the constant term. Now to find the zeros, you have to split the middle term here. So here the middle term is what? 5x. That is, we will split the x term. What is the procedure for that? For that, I'll show a simple trick. Just write in the rough column P M. That is, P is for product of square term and the constant term, and M is for the middle term. Okay, so whatever product you will get, that is x square into 6. X square into 6 is equal to 6x square. Sign will be plus since you have plus here. Then the middle term you copy as it is along with sign, plus 5x. Now you draw the 2 dashes here. We are going to split 5x. So the answers we'll get here. Okay. So in this, first thing we have to do is copy the sign of middle term in the first box, in the first dash. Now look at the sign in product. Okay. If these two signs are same, then write plus here. If here you have plus and here you have minus, then in the second dash you write minus. Okay, is it clear to you all? Here you will copy the middle term sign. Okay, copy middle term sign. And then you will check the middle term sign and the product sign. If they are both same, then you will write plus here. If it is different, you will write minus here in the second dash. That is, whatever we are going to find the terms, that two, what you have to do, it will be decided by these two signs. Since plus into plus is plus, whatever terms we are going to get, that we will add now. Okay. Now here what terms we will get, that we should write the product, the factors of 6. Okay, all the factors of 6. That is 1 6 are 6, 2 3 are 6. Next factor will be 3 2s are. We already wrote that. So no need of checking others. Okay, now you stop here. Now what you have to do, we have to add. That is, we will add these two terms, 1 plus 6. What you get? 7. 2 plus 3. What you get? 5. So in middle term, what you have to get? 5. When we multiply, we should get 6. And when we add, you should get 5. Okay. When we are multiplying, we are getting 6 here, but not 5 here. So this we will strike it. Now the second thing, when we multiply, we got 6 here. And when we add, we got 5 here. So this is correct. So among these two numbers, which number is big? 3 is big. So we will write 3x in the first dash. Then in the second dash, the small number. Always remember that in the first dash, you have to write the big number. And in the second dash, you have to write the small number. Is it clear, students? How to split 5 now? 5x. So when we add, you will get 5x. See, students, 3x plus 2x is what? 5x. Now you multiply these two, plus into plus plus. 3 2s are 6. X into x, x square. Is it clear now? So now we will replace 5x by 3x plus 2x here. X square plus, we will not write 5x. We will write this here. 3x plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Now this thing we will divide in two portions. Okay, for your understanding. That is, here one part, here one part. Whatever is common in this, we will write here. And whatever is common in these two, we will write here. Okay, then the remaining in the brackets. Here x square. X square means x into x plus 3 into x plus This 2x will be written as 2 into x plus 6 will be written as 2 into 3 equal to 0. So here x is common. That is x is there here also, here also. So I'll take x common. Okay. Then what is left, we'll write that in brackets. So here one x is left and here 3 is left. Okay. By distributive property we get this. Okay. Now plus here second part. Here we have 2. Here also we have 2. So we'll take 2 common. Okay, so here we are left with x, then this plus, then 3. This is equal to 0. Now whenever you do this, in the brackets we will get the same thing. If you are getting same thing, then the whole sum is correct. If you are getting different, then our splitting is wrong. That time you should check it. Okay. So now we got the same thing in the bracket. So here also I got x plus 3. Here also x plus 3. So again I can take x plus 3 common. So when I take x plus 3 common, what is left here? X is left. So that x will write here. Here also x plus 3 is taken out. So what is left? Plus 2. So we'll write that here, which is equal to 0. Now the third sum continues from here. Okay. That is this product of these two things is 0. That means x plus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. That is x equal to plus 3 when it goes to RHS it becomes minus 3. And x equal to plus 2 when it goes to RHS it becomes minus 2. So these two are the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, is it clear students?